Amsterdam, a city where charming canals, iconic bikes, and rich history come together to create one of Europe's most unforgettable travel experiences. Whether you're into art, nightlife, architecture, or just wandering cobblestone streets, Amsterdam offers something for every kind of traveler. In this video, we'll take you through the best of Amsterdam, from top free and paid attractions to tips on transportation, the famous red light district, and when and how long to visit. So let's dive in. Is Amsterdam a walkable city? Absolutely yes. Amsterdam is one of the most walkable cities in Europe. The historic center is compact, and many top sites are within 15 to 20 minutes of each other on foot. Walking not only saves money, but also allows you to soak in the city's vibe, the bridges, canals, cozy cafes, and houseboats. How good is public transport in Amsterdam? If you're not up for walking all day or you're visiting attractions outside the city center, Amsterdam's public transport is an excellent way to move around the city. The GVB network includes trams, buses, and metro lines, and it's reliable and easy to navigate. One-day GVB travel pass costs €9. Two-day pass is for €15, and three-day pass is for €21. You can buy the pass at ticket machines, GVB counters, or via their app. If you're here for 2 to 3 days, a travel pass can be a convenient and cost-effective choice. How many days are enough for Amsterdam? You can get a great feel of Amsterdam in 3 days. Here's a quick breakdown of your 3-day trip. Day 1. Explore the city center, take a canal cruise, and visit the red light district at night. Day 2. Dive into museums like the Van Gogh Museum, Rijksmuseum, then relax at Vondelpark. Day 3. Visit neighborhoods like Jordaan or De Pijp and explore markets or do a half-day trip to Zaanse windmills or Keukenhof during spring. If you're short on time, even 2 days can cover a lot. The best time to visit Amsterdam is from April to October. During these months, the weather is mild and pleasant. Tulips bloom in spring, especially in April. Tourist crowds are manageable and canal tours are fully running. Avoid late fall and winter if you're not a fan of cold weather and early sunsets, though Christmas markets in December can be charming. Let's check the paid attractions in Amsterdam, which are worth your time and money. Rijksmuseum, €22. It is home to masterpieces by Rembrandt and Vermeer. Van Gogh Museum, €20, where you can explore the life and work of this iconic artist. Anne Frank House, €16. It's a moving and powerful visit. Book tickets well in advance. Canal Cruise, €15 to €25. It's a great way to see the city from the water, and evening cruises are especially romantic. Heineken Experience, €23. It's an interactive tour of the original brewery, and it includes 2 beers as well. Amsterdam Lookout, €15. It has panoramic views of Amsterdam. Try over-the-edge swing if you dare. One bonus tip, rent a bike. Amsterdam is known as the bike capital of the world. If you're comfortable riding, consider renting a bike for a day. It's fun, cheap, and how locals get around. Average price for bike rent is €10 to €15 per day. Companies like MacBike and Black Bikes offer rentals with maps and helmets. Stick to bike lanes and follow traffic rules. Cycling in Amsterdam is fast-paced. Now let's check the top free attractions in Amsterdam. If you don't want to spend too much, no worries. Amsterdam has plenty of amazing free experiences. Stroll through Jordaan District, which has beautiful streets, art galleries, and cozy cafes. Visit Vondelpark. It is Amsterdam's most famous park, perfect for relaxing or people-watching. Explore Albert Kuip Market. It is one of Europe's largest street markets. Visit Dam Square for a great vibe and a quick photo with street performers. Take a free ferry to NDSM Wharf, which has street art, cool bars, and industrial charm. Red Light District. What to know? The Red Light District, also known as De Wallen, is one of Amsterdam's most talked-about areas. Located near the city center, it's legal, regulated, and safe to walk around, especially at night when neon lights reflect on the canals. While it's famous for adult entertainment, photography of workers is strictly forbidden. The area also features quirky museums like the Red Light Secrets Museum, coffee shops, and tasty late-night food spots. It's a unique mix of culture and history. From world-class museums to cozy canals, bustling markets to historic streets, Amsterdam blends the old and new like no other. Whether you're visiting for 2 days or more, walking or biking, exploring art or nightlife, this city leaves a mark. So pack light, wear comfy shoes, and let Amsterdam charm you one bridge at a time. Please like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite Amsterdam spot below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next travel video.